Videos on.
And do as much as you can.
November 20th, 2023, 4 p.m. Tank A. November 20th, 4 p.m., 2023, Tank B. It's over. Can I move this light bar over without something bad happening?
You can probably.
There we go.
Yeah, so why do we think it changed? Just because the water is actually
November 20th, 4 p.m., Tank C.
Homogeneous. Alright, well, let's see if the pattern continues. If I'm
November 20th, 4 p.m., Tank D.
Should be 40. That's completely high up. 45.
This is a chute?
Like this?
That's a seed. So the chute, so see how these are like, this is like a rhizome, and then these ones come up in one little bundle, and that's a shoot, and this comes up in another little bundle.
Dose.
So those are two shoots. Yep. And there's a little tiny slipper shell.
Oh, wow. Huh.
Alright. Alright, so length of longest leaf. This right here plus.
And we're measuring from the start of the white, right here.
Finn, you're the expert on this.
Where do you want me to start measuring from?
What are you measuring?
Longest
Leaf.
leaf.
Longest leaf, so you go to the bottom of the rhizome, the blank probably.
As in here?
27?
Oh yeah.
So you're including the rhizome, and you got to go in centimeters.
Yep. Oh.
What it? I don't know how to use this.
It's really annoying. Is it a slow computer?
He's slamming on the mouse pad. It
I'm
doesn't
slamming
work.
right here when it doesn't. Okay, this is why it takes like 4 weeks to edit the movie. How this computer?
60.
This isn't a study.
Let me get this perfect.
And then, Owen, you should repeat what he says back so that Will knows whether you heard him correctly.
If it is, I can add it because.
You think that's right? I got it right along the leaf?
Yeah.
Alright. 69.1 centimeters on the dot. Does that seem reasonable?
Yep.
Money. Did we get correct?
Alright.
Width
There's
of
no
longest
dark
leaf.
black dots.
Blue.
It's like
Yeah.
so
How am I supposed to? Alright.
Huh?
figured out how to use this.
Width of longest leaf or width of thickest leaf? And where do I measure
Longest
width
leaf.
from?
Just anywhere.
Anywhere? Because this part is thicker than this part.
Just choose this part.
Finn, you want to weigh in here?
What?
Width of longest leaf. Where do I measure? 'Cause this part is thicker than this part.
Go from the thickest part.
20.
I like him thicker in here. Pause. That was one of my worst ones. That was one of my least funny ones just there. Half a centimeter, you could say. Is that sound reasonable? Maybe a little less than half.
2.
Right.
Yes. It
Oh,
was
man.
negligible.
Finn, you're missing good practice tonight.
What do you mean?
Great.
What? Are you gonna say waves? Dude, I've been removed from waves for like
15?
like
You're
8
missing
months.
a great practice tonight.
15?
Okay. Length of seagrass waist.
So that's blackness?
Yep, just measure all the blackness,
5.
not the brown. That's very good.
This is black or brown? Brown. Black.
Looks brown.
Finn, you want to call this black or brown?
What do you want?
Jesus Christ, dude, make up your mind.
What?
What are we doing here? Inform him. He needs information.
14.
Wait, what? If it's
Black or
brown,
brown?
call it brown. If it's black or brown, call it black. Just,
14.
That's brown.
Huh?
It is.
This is brown.
Yes.
14.
Okay, so I'm not counting this.
For what? For waist.
Length and waist?
Yes.
14.
You guys should know. Like, you gotta measure that.
Okay, but what are we counting as wasting disease? There's a big
14, 3,
Like-
1.
spectrum.
You like flashlight it,
Mm.
and you like zoom over it carefully, and you look for the patterns that are wasting disease.
It's to say there's no light
That should be
passing
awesome.
through.
So if there's no light passing through, it's wasting.
Total green or white length, so we just measure the.
Is that's not right, Finn? If there's no light
No,
passing?
that's not right. It's like the structure. There's like little markings on it, and then there's like little black dots, and there's like lines.
I see no little black dots.
Do you just measure the
I
total
mean,
length?
you kinda
Just
see
go
it.
along every
Total
single
length of
leaf.
green.
Yep.
Do you just measure the whole thing and then subtract?
You could, but I think just doing green would be easier. Yeah.
Wish I could use this lovely piece of paper.
Wasting paper.
So I want
10, 17.
10, 17.
to. So if I want to get rid of some of the sand so I can observe better, I should use DI water, right?
Yep.
16. 4. 4. And does it come up more here? It's like also 4. That's on the greens.
Alright, mass.
Giovanni.
Yeah, wash it out.
There's sand and shit in both of these.
Toss the sand.
That one.
into it.
That one.
Yeah, get a clean
Yeah.
one from up there.
Now, who's eating all these chobanis?
Somebody.
Do we have any?
How about this?
I
We
can't
switch
see it. I
roles.
mean, I'm not
We're
li-
gonna switch roles, and
Alright.
you're gonna use this complex devil computer, and I am
We'll
going
go
to
7.
analyze.
I mean, I'm not seeing any wasting on this one.
Let's.
Oh,
You're
it's
reading
like
over
literally Windows, like-
paper. I'm using
like, how hard
whatever I
is it?
deem
Oh.
to be necessary. All right.
So I see no wasting on that leaf.
This is what is necessary.
Killing the free zone?
No, stop it, please.
All right. Now,
No.
Maybe would be happy with you.
go sit over there,
Alright.
and you're gonna tell me what I need to find. All right. Let's get this done real quick. All right. So. Alright, there's a lot of sand here.
Hey, what did black.com book mean? Oh, you were free. Oops. Okay, this is it.
That's
I agree with you on everything about this computer. And then, wait, let
Let's get a quick photo of it. We have a CSCR phone?
No.
She used to call me on the CSCR.
I like your shirt. Tintin in the what is it? The
The
Adventures of
Congo
Tintin.
one? No way.
Dude, they're
No
all
way.
so right. They're all really the comic book's so right.
That's the only one that's like terrible.
All of them are pretty raw.
Yeah, put like a.
I read that when I was a kid. I'm like, oh, that's cool. I'm like,
Spread the page right next to it.
It's my dad's shirt, so it's like.
sure. So your dad's
Yeah.
racist.
Yes. Yes.
Glad we have this on recording right here.
Oh, delete all. Delete all. Delete me from this conversation. You're not checking. Delete me from this conversation. Delete me from this
I
conversation.
remember, what's the one where they're in like the mansion? I don't remember that one. Well, I mean, like,
There was the only one that's not terrible is the one that was on the moon because there are no other people there.
there's a mansion one which is different
9
except
for the
fact that
length of
he's
Seagrass
Length of
races.
CWDUs
Yep.
and
Yep.
9.
9.
Are you labeling it?
All right, that's good. Next. Oh wow. Well. The paper is used at last.
All of
Okay.
these are recorded.
Yeah.
Number of seagrass wasting disease liaisons.
2.
Dose. Greater than 5 millimeters?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna go
So
zero this.
show me the way you see the seagrass.
Where did it go? It's one of these. See, it's like complete. This is
Oh, I
brown,
see.
and then it
I
goes
see.
black.
Yep, I see. Okay, next. Total brown length of leaves.
Okay,
Centimeters.
there we go.
On the gram?
All right.
Delete me from this conversation.
All right. So let's see here. Go. 20 plus
Total brown length of leaves.
Yep.
20.
plus. Let's go 10 plus. I'm assuming these don't count.
Do the sheaths count?
No.
Alright, yeah.
Delete me from this conversation.
And then
If I heard the cross country team had that at all to do about what you've been liking on reels.
Dude, that was me.
Not me.
What?
That was not me.
Which ones was it?
Like all of them.
Oh, like, yeah, it was just like regular reels. I mean, like, everyone I liked, I thought it was like on the different.
You want to take a small from
It's
us?
like,
nope. 12.
like, come on, alcohol.
Yeah,
you're
nope.
on reels.
Yeah,
bro.
I'm on reels, but it's like.
Plus 12, and then we're good.
What do you plus 12?
Like it.
Just
Just-
give me
We're adding those numbers together.
to what? Adding which numbers together? You just plus 12.
12 plus
20.
20
So
plus.
that is.
No.
Don't give me
put it
numbers
in-
to add up. Just tell me
You
the raw
equal.
measure.
Put it into the computer
Do you
and
know
you
how to-
hit the equal button and
I
it,
see.
it makes it
Equal
one
12
So you
thing.
said 20 plus 12.
Plus 10, I think. And yeah.
And so you should repeat back to him, Will.
20 plus 12 plus 10.
Yep.
Yep. I don't like the green. It's awful.
Equals. Oh, equals 20 plus 10. Yeah, I got it. I see.
Oh, no, that's right.
Centimeters.
Oh. Alright, length of green, right?
Total length, total green or white length of leaf.
50 plus.
50.
How many decimals are we recording to?
11 plus.
11. 11.
Um, 11 again.
11 again.
Maybe 13. It's a
13 again.
fade. It's hard to say. All right. And then.
There's two of us.
Oh yeah. And then 12, and then 26,
12 plus 12 plus 26.
Yep. and then.
How's it going with you?
55 to.
Actually should get rid of this one.
And then
So Max is weighing that and
Yeah. And then Max is putting it through the scanner.
so that's one plant down.
Yes.
Yay.
49.5. And
Plus
then,
49.5.
Yep. And then that's probably good.
Alright, we're at 161.
Great.
Let's see. Does that sound
Okay.
right?
Yeah, sure.
0.5.
Okay.
Total
Photograph.
green or white length of.
We just did that. All right, and anything else?
Anything else needs to be filled out?
Was there
That we now need to get weighed.
Yes.
Bottom notebook.
Mass and grab to it. I would wash it out in a
Red
Chobani
Sea, and then we're
off the sand just before you weigh
Just
it.
gotta analyze Red Sea.
Yeah, it's fine.
Are you guys finishing up this one?
Yep, we're almost done. We just gotta weigh it.
Did you just put it in a bucket and wash it out? Like, what did you do for the sand on that?
I just scraped off a lot of the sand. And before we weigh it, we're gonna wash it. Right? Where are you going? Wait, wash off the sand first.
I don't have it yet.
I'm not telling you. Owen!
No, it is not fine. Wash off the sand.
Owen, please listen to Finn.
Scraped off the sand. It's fine.
No, it's
Wash
not. Just
off
wash
the
it off.
sand.
It takes 2 seconds. Stuff. What's that song that's like? Thought it were.
What?
Hold on. Oh, yeah, alright. This is the song I was thinking of. Do you know Good at Moon? No. Slept with, works out, tells water is a fossil.
Bro.
Yeah. When they woke up, Sasquatch was a fossil. Yeezys in the stockroom. Spray a little extra perfume. I'm not dissing fossils. Dissing
Fossils
watches. I think watches are silly.
That's so silly of you to say.
How is that silly of me to say?
Watches are great. What beef do you have with watches?
Just why? Give me one reason you wear a watch.
Shows you the time.
No, that's not a reason.
That is a reason.
Your time is on everything.
Yeah, but
Time is everywhere.
like I've actually used it for tests, like timing.
There's a clock in every classroom.
Yeah, I don't want. It's easier to look at.
Wait, what's easier? Or
It's not. It's more like what's easier versus
no, it's like what's easier? Oh, ladies, you need the time, ladies.
or when I'm taking like the SAT.
There's literally like a scoreboard clock, a scoreboard-sized clock in the start of it.
No, in the PSAT they just had the normal one. They just had like the time. They didn't tell you how much time was left. Or
Have you taken this full SAT yet?
not yet. My first one didn't spring.
I would not. I would. Where are you applying to? Do you think you're gonna apply to?
I haven't graduated.
It's so much effort to get a good score. Like you have to like study for.
Yeah, for the IVs, I'm just going test option if I apply to any. Unless I get like I think
I don't know if this is just not applying to Ivy, so that's you.
Well,
That's you.
there are a few I like.
See my king. Which ones? There are a few. There's only a few Ivies. Saying there's
Okay,
a few
there's like a couple.
There's a.
There's a couple I like. UPenn and Columbia. One of the only two I like.
Is you Penn? Oh, I'm thinking Penn State. My bad. Wait, yeah, that's not Columbia.
I like the city ones. And they're good for business.
Dirty man.
Finance.
City liver.
8.07.
8.07. What's the
What are we
unit?
doing with these?
What do I do with this?
Give it to Max so he can.
This was still attached.
Cooking into soup.
What? Keep that one. Just get rid of it.
Did you get rid of it?
Yes. Keep the paperclip. Don't get rid of it.
Yeezys in the stockroom. Spray a little extra perfume. Slept with him and woke up, so hard was fossil.
That's Max.
Oh, I should go to practice. Alright, that's it for me, guys.
Max.
I gotta go.
You can't just tap out.
What do you mean tap out? I just measured the whole point.
Just have one more plan.
I have to go to practice at 5:30.
You can stay 5 more minutes. Oh, wait. Get a move on, buddy. Your partner's gotta go soon.
Yeah. Also, what are you doing? You can be his
Somebody take a picture. Write it down. Take a picture.
Use this one.
Well,
Are
you gotta
any of
write
these
it down.
Nope, there's stuff
Got
on
the
it.
thing right over there.
Actually, it
write
doesn't
it down.
matter.
Write it down. Red
Is this
B.
not being
Not
used?
that. Not that. Not.
Can I use this on?
Nobody cares.
There's stuff. Okay.
You can grab it.
What is this?
Who knows? Just peel off the top and then.
Wait.
And
This
then
one's
red
big.
B, red B, red B.
This one's like
red
really
B.
big.
Alright. Let's have all this be from here on out. Remember how last time you were in charge? Now Finn's in charge. I trust him more with extraction.
He's already in charge.
Alright, where's the plant you gave me?
It's right.
Right there.
there,
Wait
buddy.
patiently. Write it down, put it down. Let's take a picture. Get it down. Write it here. Here you go. Put it in. Let's go.
Yep. All right.
Go get your stuff. What do we get next?
Red D, go get it.
Go get it, Red D.
You should keep his hands dry. He's on the computer. Hands dry. Red D.
You have such beautiful hands.
Red D.
Please tell. The one have to do it.
Where's the
Go.
rhizome?
I already did it last
He's
time.
literally leaving.
I'm leaving in 5 minutes.
Then
Right there.
you can go get it, and I'll take it from here.
Okay, that'll be my last job.
Yep, that'll be good.
Actually,
Last
that's
job, and I'll switch to the old trusty paper.
Hold on. You say Finn's already in charge, then he just disobeys orders.
That's right. I'll switch to the old trusty
Finn,
piece
is there any
of white
specifics to the extraction of red D?
paper.
What?
Is there any specifics with the extraction of red D for the one?
Just grab with the thing and do copy Christian. Christian, what are you doing?
I'm digging for the rhizome. It's like disappeared. I don't know where it is.
Did it break off?
Why?
I think. I'm not seeing it though. Unless you consider this the rhizome, which I personally don't.
Great. All right, time to move to the trusty paper. The thing that we all needed from the beginning.
No,
Paper.
you're doing the thing and I'm recording on both computers.
No.
Yes.
Paper, paper, paper.
No. Oh, and I'm recording for your group.
What's the question?
I'm down here to make sure I'm getting the right plant.
Red D.
It's just the thing in the D, and then it has the red zip tie. Is this the last one we're doing? I think so. The last one I'm doing. I'm gonna get this done in like 5 minutes. With the trusty paper.
You are not. I'm doing
I'm not
both.
gonna tell you. I'm gonna put it on a piece of
gotta
paper,
enter it on
and
there
then
after.
you're gonna
Oh,
put
wait.
it in there.
I do not trust you to analyze correctly. You repeatedly just went, oh, whatever. Oh, whatever. Say this. Say this.
Because
Not
it's
happening.
a faded edge, it doesn't.
It's not happening.
Well, it's happening to me. That's how I do things. Is
You're
not in exacts.
You're doing it exactly.
I'm not doing exactly. I can never do exactly. It's a faded edge. What do you want me to do?
Do it exactly.
Feathered?
rid
Do
of this.
not touch my paper.
Get rid of it.
The paper is essential for my method.
You're not using the
We're
paper.
not
You're
using your
telling me.
method.
We're not using your method. I am in charge. We are doing this. I don't know
I'm
why
going
you're.
to write it down. I've done this several times. Write it down. And
What
then
is several?
you copy it down.
I'm not copying
what
it
is
down.
several?
You're telling me.
Fine,
And
then I'll copy it down. Problem solved. Don't worry about it.
CSCR. is so
Focus
fun.
on you
CSCR
two.
is so fun.
Focus on you two. I can be independent.
We're
I'm
not.
an
You're
independent
not being
force.
independent. I do
I'm
not
an
trust you
independent
to
force.
Be independent.
I'm
You're not
an independent
You're not a
force.
registered independent. You're not even old enough to vote.
A year. Less than a year I can vote. Alright.
Alright, I got it.
You're trying to record everything on a piece of paper and then hand it to me.
I've
Saying,
done this
"Quote, I'm going to do
several
it
times."
imprecisely because that's how I do
Alright,
things.
this red
Owen,
D.
listen to Finn.
Gonna go
Whatever he
after
says
Ron.
goes.
Yeah, there's
I
no
refuse
rhizome.
to listen because he'll
Matt,
slow us
there's
down
no
so
rhizome.
slowly.
Red D.
Yeah,
I
fine.
gotta
Look
go.
at me. Look at me.
Okay.
Alright, good luck, guys.
Alright.
Alright, see ya.
Can you wash off the plant?
Alright, Christian and Owen, you're now a pair. Finn, I trust you, you're on yourself. I have
No, I'm doing it for both of them.
Oh, alright.
I want to be alone.
No, if anyone's alone, it's Finn. That's
See you
the
guys.
rule. Good luck.
Why can't I be alone?
Alright. Because I don't trust you, Owen.
Oh, really?
Owen, quote, I'm going to do things imprecisely because that's how I do
I never
things.
said
Does not
imprecisely.
earn you a spot to work by yourself.
It's not even earned, it's a punishment more than anything, but, you know. What is this plant? Oh, it's Christian's, alright.
It's falling
Is
apart.
that the one he already analyzed?
No,
This new one?
I definitely won't.
Max. What do you do?
Get everything
Can you wash it off?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Do you
Oh,
need
that's
that?
different one. Never mind.
Do we have something under all of that in the sink so that we don't get sand in the
I've been
sink?
trying to. This is very little of what we do there.
Stinky.
Yeah, it's yeah, it's my sulfur. Thanks.
Yeah. The rhizome? You got
There was no rhizome in there.
That was which plant?
Oh, it broke up.
Which one was that from?
Red D,
This thing's massive.
I think.
Yeah. All right. Start. This is
just
red
a-
C, right? Yeah.
this
all
is
right.
just a
length of
straw.
longest leaf.
Well, it's easy to measure the green.
Yeah.
Since there's no rhizome. Alright. 66 centimeters.
So these are our third and fourth plants?
Yes. Owen, length of longest leaf.
Right now, we're trying to construct a leaf.
He needs a sheet of paper. Give him a minute. What's next?
Fashion sheet of paper. My goodness, is this
Then
thing
what's
leaf?
next? So we just went-
Where is it going? Would it be
Width
attached
of
here?
longest.
The whole thing is dead.
Is this attached here? Maybe. I doubt
Looks
it.
like that's wide. It looks like this is wider than that.
So maybe just put that. I don't know. Put down in your
One
notes
more.
that this is just completely destroyed.
It's completely brown
Yeah.
and just detached from the rhizome.
You got the point.
That's more specific, right?
Yep. Okay.
Read off categories whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm just
All right.
putting a note.
Centimeters.
All right. Length of the longest leaf, Owen.
Patience.
All right. Number of leaves. Start counting number of leaves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 7. Yeah, 7. I count that as 7.
Did we do a photograph of this plant?
No.
Did you do,
All right.
we do photographs of
shoots.
each plant, right?
Yeah, we do it after. typically.
2, I think. This is, looks like 1 here, tiny one, and this one big one.
Owen.
What?
Length of longest leaf.
Length of longest leaf. It's written down. Patience.
Pick up
Patience.
that paper and ask for it again.
Patience.
I don't need the measure.
Don't take my paper. It's how I write things down. You
Tell
wrote.
him. It's
tell me.
literally faster to
The
just
width.
tell
What is the
him.
width of the longest?
Hey, we're halfway there. Give me
Owen,
back
I
the
need-
piece of paper.
Owen, I need you to physically say it to me so I can check your
The
math
width
as
of
you are doing it. What is the width of the longest leaf?
This is
This is the width. Give me that. I have half of the numbers on there. Half of the very essential, extremely essential number 6.6.
0.6.
Yeah.
Okay. Number of leaves.
Well, that's difficult to tell.
Everything's around
I
the
don't
top.
think he learned how to
1,
count
2.
by 5.
What do you mean 1, 2? What did you
There's
just
no
count?
other rounded tops. 1, 2. The rest are not rounded.
Do we have
Are
water
they?
mixes in that tank then?
There's nothing else rounded. Are we
Alright.
even measuring these shoots?
It's kind of black. It's kind of brown.
Wait,
not
which one's
black,
did it count,
right?
Owen?
I'll call it
Are we
one shoot.
measuring these shoots? All of these? Are we counting these as shoots or are we counting these as leaves? Are we only measuring the leaves?
Christian, number, length of seagrass wasting disease.
Are we measuring the leaves or are we measuring the shoots as well?
I'd say you have to.
What do you mean?
Are we measuring any of these?
Yes.
Or-
Measure everything. We just don't count shoots as leaves.
Yes.
Okay. Give
Okay,
me that
now-
piece of paper.
I-
Halfway
I-
added it.
Just
Oh, we're halfway
start
there.
over, read it to me as you do it. Length of, but first, it's length of seagrass wasting disease
Length of secret
specifically.
tracing disease. Well, first we
Check
got
with the flashlight.
have to do it.
So this looks black in here.
Yes,
Right? This looks brown. This looks pretty evenly brown to me.
All right.
There's a lot of stuff growing on it, but
Check
Who's
with the
just
flashlight.
I got the. I don't need a flashlight to see. All right. Anywho,
Good one, Owen. Oh, shoot. Is this seagrass wasting disease?
6.
Here? I know it's like impossible to see.
No.
No? Okay. I thought there was
What?
one
Where are you
off.
counting
Maybe we
6?
had the
6
three.
is right there.
Okay, so then that's fine.
Does it have to?
It has
yeah,
it.
that's black.
Alright,
What do we think
6.
about this? Yeah, that looks.
I count that.
All right. I'm gonna go round 10.
Around?
Around.
Around? How
It's
much?
a feathered edge.
You give me an
I
exact.
measure to the feathered edge.
Measure to the feathered edge. Do you understand the word feathered? Okay.
It's like a gradient.
Yeah.
Measure to the end of the gradient.
Measure to the end of the gradient. Well, then it's 12, but that doesn't account for anything.
12.
Well, we don't know if it's 12. It could be switching into brown by then.
But then you're accounting for all of what you're trying to measure.
You guys, when you have a discussion about how to collect the data, it's actually a worthy discussion, right? When you get to a point where you're like, I'm not sure what to do with this, it does behoove us to say, well, let's figure out what would make the most sense and is a protocol that we can stick with going forward.
Well, if we
Yeah,
put that
I mean-
down in
And then
notes,
those protocols should be written down in the online lab notebook, just not only in your heads.
It is, and we've done this all before. And
10.
Also, we are scanning all of these in case it's completely unsettled. We can just go back to it, maybe count areas. If you do want to scan.
Right, which is the reason that we were scanning in the first place.
One.
I don't know if you know that history. So we came up with a scanning thing from our friend Forrest Schenk when he was doing his, his master's or PhD.
Okay.
He developed a technique of scanning the eelgrass and then using image J to analyze green pixels versus black pixels.
Okay. That doesn't seem, yeah.
And if you want to go nuts doing that, I think that would be wonderful.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too difficult to set up.
Yeah.
You'd have to set up a, well, even that's not that bad. I could see how to do that.
What
If
is
it's something
that?
I need, I could set it up.
And then, can I talk to you while you're counting, or is that distracting?
That's fine.
So
Alright, is that the first?
there was, when this project first started, Eelgrass first started, it started as a sea perch project, which was, sea perch was an underwater robot,
Okay.
or an autonomous vehicle, vessel. And now there's sea perch 2, and,
Expert, come over here.
so it's possible
It's
that
covered.
we go that
What would you
direction
say
this
what
summer
we should do if it's
2024,
covered?
is go to sea perch 2.
So here's what it is. You're looking through the light.
Six.
Well, what did you? There's no seagrass?
Make sure that it says 6 back here.
Six.
6?
Also, when is everyone plan on being out of here by?
Is this SWD? What's
Whenever
this
these two are done.
Alright, those two are.
Well, I would have.
So like Finn, like 20 minutes ish.
5,
Yeah, probably max. What does that look like?
2,
Kinda looks
3,
like you got
2.5.
to me.
Two
5, 2.5.
5 plus.
Maybe not 2.5. It's hard to say.
Well,
Maybe
Also,
4.
there's-
Let's go 4.5. We'll go 5.
You see that?
5 and
Is
5.
it a season?
5 and 5.
You rounded 2.5 up to 5.
Well, I have absolutely no bearing for how to measure this.
Yeah,
It's
also
the only way to get this is via light.
Body,
But,
but
you know,
some sort of other.
I think I remember it good enough.
Good enough is not
It's
what we're looking
pretty
for.
accurate.
Pretty accurate is also not what we're looking
It's
for.
pretty accurate.
Again, it's not.
Maybe
what we're looking
3.
for.
It's a feathered edge
Maybe
again.
also not
The
what
3. The
So the feathered edge, isn't there, don't we have a standard by which we decide feathered edges? Isn't it if it's more than 50% across, then you call it as a, isn't that what we decided? Or was there some other way?
I have no idea.
Two.
It's at the end. It's right here.
Whenever you're ready, can you add 2?
Alright, I count 6.
Ah, perfect.
So. I had 2.
Yeah.
Now for everything. Did we get halfway there with the brown?
That's it.
Well, now I'm gonna have to start the whole thing over.
Alright,
Prepare yourself. It's gonna be a lot of numbers really fast.
well, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Total brown length of leaves.
All right, ready?
Yep.
47.5. 24.5. Let's say 20. 8.5. 40.5.
Can you just have a raise for this? Can you put one?
14. Well, he didn't have to. I could have done this myself. 13.5.
14.5?
13.5 and 14.5.
Oh, you just said 14.
No, I did. Well, I don't remember. I didn't write it down on paper. Well,
You wrote it down?
I did.
well, good for you.
Well, not on
And
paper.
17, maybe.
That's it?
Yep. Anything else? What do you want?
Do the same thing.
Is there anything else?
You tell me the total length of green, which is 0, right?
Is there anything else?
Get a photo and weigh it.
Waiting for this.
And then give it to Max.
Yeah.
Total length of brown now?
Yes.
That includes SWD?
Yes. And then we just subtract it.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
That's
Okay.
30.5?
Next time we analyze plants, I'm gonna use the paper.
There isn't a next one, will it?
33?
We've only analyzed 4 plants.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
This is the
43?
30.
Alright. Yeah, I'm not done yet. We need another like 10-15 minutes, that's why I said that. So what do you want to do? Alright, sorry, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, do you want to like wait or go home? That's your call. I'll be able to do that. Okay, bye. Yeah. Alright. You got the 33?
Yes.
Five.
12.10. That it? What?
Wait, what'd you say?
12.
So 33.5, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then what?
33.
There's 30.5, 33 plus 5 plus.
I'm just doing this one now. That
Oh,
sounds
yeah,
about right.
Okay.
33 again. Different leaf.
33.
Thank you for doing that.
And then what did Owen say? 12 point what?
Ask her.
Owen, what'd you say? 12.3?
10.
3 whenever you're ready. Yep. 6. That's about it.
Okay. Is there
Alright,
anything
total
else I
length
need
of-
to do? Or do I start cleaning up?
Start cleaning up your station. Yeah, total length of green.
Yeah.
Our field robotics team will explore prevalence in seagrass wasting disease and patterns of salinity in naturally occurring eelgrass beds to provide context to our atomic study. Thanks.
43. 20. 13. 3.
Alright, and they'll get the mass and take a photo. I can take a photo. Sorry, there's one bit. Alright. Photo, yes.
This is awesome. I'm looking back at the working copy of the Margeau proposal from April 20th, 2022, and it says we will run 9 tests. 3 of high salinity, 3 of low salinity, and 3 control groups. Yeah. Okay.
Did you get the weight yet?
I'm cleaning this out to weigh it.
Oh yeah, really good.
Are you in the robotics team then?
No, but Christian is.
I work and live in squalor. I work and live in good enough, and that's good works. And
So
I deal with the better edges.
you guys have a question? I'm looking back at the Margeau proposal.
Wait, Christian.
And
You get the weight?
I need to read it because a lot we did accomplish.
That's good.
So, do we have any juice to do machine learning and neural networks?
Yeah, I can train one if you give me Isa's computer in 14 days.
What, in how many?
Actual flex.
Nothing. I have a friend. We have a friend, actually all of us, who has the equipment to train one pretty quickly.
Isa?
Yeah. He still has those graphics cards, right?
No, he doesn't.
Well, he's Google
So,
servers.
and then Noah
I don't know
McDowell
if he
does
does.
too.
Okay, that's fine. If Noah's doing it, he'll be fine.
But Noah's doing it for Eelgrass.
Yeah, he's probably using
And
TensorFlow.
then Andrew and Beth and Lucy and Brendan, those guys did machine learning on Eelgrass in 2020.
Okay.
The reports of their algorithm, if you want to take a look at it.
It's probably just TensorFlow. What was the aim of the algorithm?
Listen, I don't know. Look, send you the form.
Well, what do you want it to do?
Recognize Eelgrass and get like a measure here, but you might just use that over the pixel.
Dude, that's easy enough to do with pixel mapping, though it would be super accurate. Yeah, it'd be within like probably.
Well, that was good enough.
Measurements, so.
It wasn't. Yes, it was.
Well, we got the measurement.
because of me.
I got the measurement, and I could have gotten it perfectly done.
You could have gotten it.
You could have gotten it so done. Like around about the correct measurements.
I am hungry.
Which is
Yeah.
what?
A roundabout is good enough.
Half will do.
Half will do.
We have homework, I forgot.
Yeah, we have chem homework tonight, everyone.
But isn't it like, it's not that bad?
Yeah, it's like 10 problems maybe?
Is it from the book or?
No, it's
No,
from
it's,
the,
it's packets.
Yeah.
Never from the.
Oh shit, I forgot it. I got one of the bad packs that was unstable, so I have one page, so I have to print it out myself.
That's the master copy, you genius. He was looking for it at the beginning of class.
I have a single page from it.
Where'd the rest go?
Go later. I want to go home.
He was looking for that.
Dude, once you tell me this number, I'm leaving. So please tell me this number.
Clean up, Owen. Thank you.
Yeah, I want
Already cleaned up enough. Cleaned up my
Will
station.
you guys handle the rest?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, I'll only go till 30.
Every day.
Where's weird? It's not complete.
What did you say this time?
She has any hair cutting thing?
That doesn't make any sense. That's not real.
6.445.
6.4.
I'll leave you under
Can
that
you,
one.
okay, you clean this up, I'll clean up the sink.
6.5. 6.45. Alright, I'm going to do the ribbon check. Come back.
I gotta get up so early tomorrow.
Oh, I'll be up earlier.
I'm not going to bed.
You think I'm going home? No, I'm going to school.
This is the best method.
Yes. Never seen a better method.
Perfect. Didn't spill at all. Where did these go?
In the basement?
Alright.
Yeah.
Down there.
There's one outside next to the door. You might want to grab that one.
I guess I'm taking on. You'll be good for me, Christian? Just clean up, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
My mom might be outside. I'll be here.
And Max, I'll take guys, I'll do a little extra to make up for
The performance.
I measured them.
And then,
Perfectly
so,
enough.
lab notebook?
Oh, put the videos in.
The videos in.
Because you took a video of each tank.
I'm not putting the videos in.
Why would I put the videos in? You put the files in. It's a lab report. It's not like you.
Upload it to Google Drive, make it viewable by anyone, and add a link.
And link it. There you go.
Okay. Somebody's
Or
gonna
YouTube.
take screenshots and then put it in. Because
But you're
that's-
gonna upload individual screenshots of every single frame
Yes.
with an audio file.
No,
like me.
no, seriously, but you do want to screenshot the plant.
Yeah.
Because I think we have screenshots of the plants before we put them in.
Okay.
And then you compare, what do they look like?
Yeah.
And so the problem that we had with the first two rounds, or the first round, was that we didn't have the little bins. So it was hard to know whether it was plant 1, 2, or 3. So now we have each of the bins, so definitely plant red A is definitely plant red A.
Yeah.
So we had the picture of plant red A before it grew and then after it grew.
Yep.
So that's actually really cool to look at and,
Look at these. Wow. Probably in the basement. Look for the ones that same colors.
this is exciting. So we need a few more days of this stuff.
Yeah. I'm not probably gonna be here.
So we weren't super efficient with getting started today. We've been more efficient in the past. But we managed to get 4 plants done in between 3:45 and 5:30.
4. Did we not get 4 plants?
4 plants done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that not what I
I
said?
thought you said 3.
I meant to say 4. Is that DI water?
Yeah, I was trying to push some of it down.
Don't push that down. We need to scoop that up and.
Do you want to just let it dry off and like suck it up or something?
No, let's just wipe it up with a paper towel.
That's what I was
Because
doing. I got it.
sand won't biodegrade, it's little rocks. So it will just sit in the pipes
We got out most of it with towels. There's just a bit of residue left. So.
Alright, I gotta go, guys. Thank
Alright,
you.
Finn, did you put your hours in the time tracker thing?
I will. I'll take
For the last 6 months? Doesn't sound too promising. Alright, so we're done with the GoPros.
I gotta get going too. So.
Yeah. Thank you for doing that.